question students, question 2. It is for the question 2a. Now here students, this question is for only 2 marks students, 2 marks, okay, and we have to solve any two questions, okay. आपल्याला इथे 2 questions solve करायचे आहेत, any 2. That means there are the 3 questions, okay, given. There are 3 questions are given. तिथे 3 questions दिलेले असतील आणि त्याच्यापैकी तुम्हाला 2 questions काय करायचे आहे, solve करायचे. So each questions are the 2 marks, okay student. So let us see that first question. Complete the activity to find the value of the determinant activity. Okay, so to find the value of the activity here student. So that means here the activity, this question is on the base of activity students, okay. So here in the determinant 2 root 3 9 to 3 root 3. So here we know that is a Cramer's rule. As per Cramer's rule, we multiply this 2 root 3 multiply here 3 root 3 minus 9, then minus 9 multiply 2. So now the 2 9s are 18. So the answer right here, and here we have to write here the answer in this box, and that is the 2 multiply 3. First you do 2 multiply 3, that is the 6, and root 3 multiply root 3, that means 3, and that means the answer is 18. So we write here 18 students. Okay, very easy process. Do not jumble it. So 18 minus 18, that is 0. So the activity complete and you may get the 2 marks. Very easy question students. Okay. So now let us see the next one question students. The next one question is also for the activity, because the question 2a question 2 is for the activity based question students. Okay. So here the question 2, complete the following activity to find the 98th term. 98th term. Okay. 98th term of an 80. 7, 13, 19, 25, comma, dot, dot, dot. An activity is given AB 7, 13, 19, 25, comma, dot, dot, dot. So here, first term A is equal to 7. First term A is equal to 7. T19, we have to calculate the T19. 98th term. That means we have to calculate T19 students. So now the formula is Tn is equal to A plus in the box and D, and they told us that is to write the formula here. See the bracket formula, that means we have to write the formula here. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. Then here T19 is equal to A. Put the value of A7 plus then n minus 1, that is 19 minus 1. And what is the D? The D is students, that is 13 minus 7. Do the 30 minus 7 or you do the 25 minus 19. Then that is the same answer, and that is equal to 6. Okay. Then here 7, then 19 minus 1. 19 minus 1 students 18, and here 18 6 are. So here 108. Okay. So we write here 108 student. Then T19 addition of this 115. Okay students. Then see the next one. बघा किती सोपे आहे क्वेश्चन, खूप सोपे आहे. So I told you that is only for, it is my strategy, that is only solve the question, try to cover the question 1 and question 2 in the board question paper. Okay students, कधीही चुकू नका हे क्वेश्चन 1 आणि क्वेश्चन 2. अजिबात चुकायचे नाही. 20 पैकी 20 मार्क तुम्हाला नक्कीच मिळाले पाहिजे त्याच्यामध्ये, की जेणेकरून तुम्ही या मॅथ्स मध्ये तुम्ही अगदी कव्हरिंग कराल, स्कोरिंग कराल मार्क्स. ओके. सो नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. इफ वन die is rolled, then to find the probability of an event to get prime number on upper face, complete the following activity. So here activity is one die is rolled. One die is rolled. S is sample space. Okay. S is the sample space. We know that. So we write here S. As S, one die is rolled. So the S is equal to. So the space is insufficient to write. So here we make this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I make this space and I make this box such a way, and then write here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If one die is rolled. So now n of S is equal to 6. Okay. So now event A, prime number on the upper face. So even number between these. So even number is, that is the 2. then here 3, then here that is a 5. Okay, so 2, 3, 5. So here students, that is n of a is equal to 3. N of a is equal to 3. Then p of a is equal to. Now the probability, the formula for the probability. See here, formula. We have to write the formula. So p of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. So p of a is equal to n of a upon n of s. You have to write here the final answer, student. So you do the rough work here. That is the n of a is here c 3. So 3 upon then n of s upon 6. 3 upon 6, that means 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 1 upon 2. So we write here 1 upon 2. In this box we can write 1 upon 2. Okay, such a way you can solve this question 2a. Okay, खूप सोपा असतो, activity based paper आहे. Now come over the B question, that is a B sub question. Solve the following sub questions. Any four. That means there are the total 5 questions are there. इथे 5 questions असणार आहे. तुम्हाला 4 questions students solve करायचे आहेत. And each question have the 2 marks. Okay, 2 marks असणार आहे. Okay, 2 for the victory. So तुम्हाला हे मिळवायचेच आहेत marks students. Okay, so चला बघूया काय आहे. To solve the following simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule. Find the values of d of x and d of y. Okay, so 3x plus 5y is equal to 26. X plus 5y is equal to 22. So now here students, let us see. By the Cramer's rule, we have to only find out the values of d of x. Nothing else. बाकीचं काही काढायचं नाही आहे. Only d of x. So here d of x is equal to determinant sign and here the position of x. So at the position of x we write 26, 22. Okay, the constant, and here the y coefficient of y, that is 5 multiply 5. Okay, very easy. So here 26 multiply 5 minus here 22 multiply 5. So now here that is 26 5, that is 130 minus here 110. So here 20. So d of x is equal to 20. Okay, very easy students. खूप सोपा आहे. नीट लक्ष द्या. Be careful. चला आता next d of y. Then d of y determinant sign, that is d of y, that means hide the y and write down there the constants 26, 22. Okay, then here 3 and 1. Then here students 3 multiply 22 minus 1 multiply 26. So here 66 minus 26. So here 40. So d of y is equal to 40. So d of x is equal to 20 and d of y is equal to 40. Second one question students. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? So now here students, we have to find out the probability. Okay, so first there are the red, blue and green pens. So I write here that for 5 red pens, or we say that represent 5 red pens as R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. And here the 8 blue pens. Okay, as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. Okay, such a Then the 3 green pens. 3 green pens. Okay, as G1, G2, G3. Okay, so now here student, these are the sample space. Okay, so here collection of the sample space. So I write here S is equal to R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Then here B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 and G1, G2 and G3. Okay, saturate. And then students here, how many sample space are there? So n of s is equal to students. How many? These are the 5. 13, 13 plus 3, that is a 16. N of s is equal to 16 students. So now here we have to Rutuja wants to pick a pen and randomly she pick up the pen and the probability she want to find out the probability of the pen is blue. Okay, so now here the probability consider that is a let A be the event of the pen is blue. The pen is blue. So now here that means n of A. So here n of A is that blue means here there are 8 pens. Okay, 8 pens. Now students, that is a probability formula for the probability of A, n of A upon n of S. So which is equal to n of A, that is 8, and the n of S, that is 16. So which is equal to 1 upon 2. So the probability of the event of the pen is blue, that is 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. Now see the next one question, students. Find the sum of the first n even natural numbers. N even natural numbers, students. So see how can we find out here this. So first here, first n even natural numbers. So here we write that is AP, arithmetic progression, as you write the full form here. Arithmetic progression of even natural numbers and even natural numbers and even natural numbers. Okay, and that is the here the even natural numbers starting from 2, then 4, then 6, comma dot up to n. Okay, so now here students we have to find out the sum. So here the formula for the sum is Sm is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 b. So now here n upon 2. We have to find the Sn. So here n term. So n as it is. Now the 2a. A means a is here 2. First term. Okay. First term is 2. Then the difference. That the difference is 4 minus 2. It is also 2. So here n minus 1 and here 2. So here n upon 2. Then 2 2s are 4 plus here multiply that 2n minus 2 here. Okay. Then n upon 2. Here 4 minus 2, that is a 2. 2 plus 2n. So now here from this one bracket the 2 is common. So here we can write 1 plus 1n. So 2 get cancelled here. So Sm is equal to n multiply 1 plus n. 1 plus n. Okay. So this is the final answer. So we write the sum of, therefore, the sum of the first n even natural number, even natural numbers is n 1 plus n. Okay. Okay, students, got it? Okay. Now next one question. See the next one question. Find the values of x plus y and x minus y of the following simultaneous equation. So here students, 49x minus 57y is equal to 172 and 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Okay. So now here students, I call these given equations as 1 and 2. Okay, here right. You consider that I start here from the solution. Okay, solution. Then this one is the first equation, this one is the second one equation. Now I first add these two equations. adding equation 1 and 2. Okay, now your students, if you want such a type of the question come, अशा प्रकारचा जर क्वेश्चन येत असेल की फाइंड द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ x प्लस वाय अँड x मायनस वाय, x प्लस वाय आणि x मायनस वायची व्हॅल्यू काय, तर तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, जे इक्वेशन दिलेलं असेल त्या इक्वेशनचं पहिल्यांदा ॲडिशन करायचं, नंतर सबट्रॅक्शन करायचं. यू मे ऑटोमॅटिकली गॉट दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, so adding equation 1 and 2. So 49x minus 57y is equal to 172 plus here 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Okay, so here the addition here. So 4, then 2, 1, 3, 4, then here y, and then here addition here also. 16, 1, 9, 10, 0, minus, and here also addition, that is the same, 106. Now here 106y minus 106y is equal to 420. So now here dividing both the sides by 106. Okay, 106y upon 106 is equal to 424 upon 106. So here 106 1 is 106, 106 1 is 106, and here that means the 4. 106 4 is 424. So x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, here. So now here as we do the addition, adding equation 1 and 2, now the step that is the subtraction. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equations 1 and 2. So now here 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Then here minus 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So here change the sign, minus, plus and minus. Okay, so now here 57x minus 49, and that means the 8. Okay, 8x, that is a minus 8x. Okay, and here also that is a minus 8y, and here also that is a 252 minus 172. Okay, then 0, then here 8. Okay, so here 80, and then negative sign, so minus 8 0. Now we are dividing both the sides by 8 minus 8y upon 8, and here minus 80 upon, sorry, okay, 8. Then minus x minus y is equal to minus 10. So now changing the sign of each term, that means x plus y is equal to 10. So now this is our final answer. So students will have both the answers. X plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 4. ओके, सो किती सोपा आहे स्टुडंट्स क्वेश्चन 1 आणि क्वेश्चन 2. 20 मार्क्ससाठी येतो. हे मार्क्स घालवू नका, खूपच महत्त्वाचे आहे तुमच्यासाठी. परीक्षा पुन्हा पुन्हा द्यायच्या नाही, आता आपल्याला एकदाच द्यायचे आणि चांगलं स्कोरिंग सुद्धा करायचे आपल्याला. ओके, बेस्ट लक फॉर युअर फर्दर.